Welcome to Disneyworld Yacht Club Resort. So we're here staying at this really nice nautical themed hotel, and so we're just going to show you around our room. So upon check-in, they give you these wristbands. They're called magic bands, and they're basically your key to everything here, including actually getting into the room. So this is the key. So you just tap it. Wherever you see this Mickey, you just tap it, and that unlocks the door. And here it is. So, very nice bathroom, double sinks, and here's the shower. You have this like goat's shower curtain. So yeah, everything is really cute with the theme. And there's 2 queen beds, and yeah, it's just really cute with the, the ship theme, and there's little lamps. And here's the TV, and then a little day bed, and here's Mickey. So yeah, just love all the detail, and there's a little Mickey ear up there too, and yeah, just all of the detail and the decorations are really cute. And we have this little balcony that overlooks the boardwalk, so come join me outside. It's a little dreary outside today, but it's very comfortable weather. So yeah, you get to see the water, and it's just a really nice view. All right, so thank you.